Sun is coming up, are you ready to go?
Hi there, I'm Anna McPherson from the agency, and I'm very excited to present to you unit number 10 of 24 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. Now, if low maintenance living and panoramic sea views are what you are looking for, this could be it. Let's head on in and have a look around.
Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
The functionality on offer at this property is exceptional. You have so many little spaces to entertain and sit, and I absolutely love the amount of storage throughout and the single lock-up garage.
It's a playground, we are kings of the world, and anywhere is homebound.
So guys, there you have it for Unit 10 at 24 Kerr Street in Meikleville Hill. I don't know about you, but I can't think of a better place to enjoy an afternoon wine and cheese platter overlooking the panoramic sea view. If you'd like to inspect this property, give me a buzz. I'd love to show you through.